I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I wash my face in the bathroom. I wash my face in the bathroom. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I put on my t-shirt and jeans. I put on my t-shirt and jeans. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I drink a glass of orange juice. I drink a glass of orange juice. I pack my bag for school. I pack my bag for school. I say goodbye to my mom.
Goodbye.
I say goodbye to my mom. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I sit down and open my book. I sit down and open my book. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. I write notes in my notebook. I write notes in my notebook. I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. I drink water after lunch. I drink water after lunch. I play basketball after school. I play basketball after school. I come home and wash my hands. I come home and wash my hands. I do my homework at my desk. I do my homework at my desk. I have a snack in the kitchen. I have a snack in the kitchen. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I help my mom set the table. I help my mom set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I help wash the dishes after dinner. I help wash the dishes after dinner. I take a shower in the evening. I take a shower in the evening. I put on my pajamas and relax. I put on my pajamas and relax. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I charge my phone every night. I charge my phone every night. I turn off the lights in my room. I turn off the lights in my room. I say goodnight to my parents.
Good night.
I say goodnight to my parents. I close my eyes and go to sleep. I close my eyes and go to sleep.